Struggling to create your first task in Jira? You're not alone. In 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to do it. All right, so here's the plan. We'll start by opening your Jira account, then navigate to your project, click Create, name your task, and add details. Let's jump right in. First thing, open up your Jira account and log in. This is your home base, and it's where all your projects live. You should see your main dashboard. If you've just signed up, it might look a little empty, but don't worry, that's about to change. Now, on the left side panel, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and click on the one you want to work in. I'm using a Kanban project, but it works the same for any type. Once you're inside, you'll see the board or the list view. This is where all your tasks hang out. So let's create something new. Look up at the top of the screen. You'll see a big blue button that says Create. Click on it. This is your gateway to adding anything to the project. A dialog box will pop up right in the center of your screen. Now, in that box, there's a field called Summary. This is the name of your task. Type something clear and descriptive. Instead of Fix Bug, try something like Fix Login Error on Mobile Devices. It makes a huge difference later when you're searching through tasks. Give it a name that makes sense. Once you've typed your task name, you have two options. You can click the blue Create button at the bottom, or you can just hit Enter on your keyboard. I usually hit Enter because it's faster. Either way, your task is now created. You'll see it pop up in your project list or on your board. And here's the really important part. Now that the task exists, you can add all the details that make it useful. Click on the task to open it up. You'll see a full screen with a description field. This is where you explain what needs to be done. Be specific. Add links, add step-by-step instructions, or just a quick note. The more context you give, the fewer questions you'll get later. On the right side panel, you'll find even more options. This is where you can make your task really organized. You can add a label to categorize it, like front end or urgent. You can set a due date and a start date, and you can assign the task to someone on your team. Just click the assignee field, start typing their name, and select them from the list. Now, the task has a home and a person responsible. So there you have it. From being lost in the interface to confidently creating and detailing tasks in seconds. You've got this. Now, go make your project work for you.